Welcome back from my tiny kitchen. With spooky season around the corner, celebrate in style with these scary but delicious witch finger cookies. Shortbread fingers with an almond nail and sweet jam blood. This recipe is really fun and easy to make. Add soft butter, vanilla extract, 1 egg, and icing sugar into a large mixing bowl and mix until smooth. Then mix in sifted plain flour and baking powder. About halfway through the mixing process, add in a few drops of green gel food coloring. When the dough is free from any unmixed bits, cover with cling film and place in the refrigerator for a few minutes to harden. When the dough is firmer, roll out heaped tablespoons into fingers and place on a baking paper or silicone mat lined baking tray. When all the fingers are ready, place a blanched almond or a pumpkin seed as the nail. If you have almonds with the skin on, simply pour boiling water over the almonds, then stand for a few minutes, rinse with cold water and peel off the skins. Create an indent for the knuckles using a finger and then creases using the dull side of a knife. When ready, bake in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the sides of the finger begin to brown. For the blood, heat strawberry jam with a few drops of water and red gel food coloring. Then strain the mix to remove any big bits. While the finger cookies are still slightly warm, remove the almonds and then spoon or pipe on the jam and place the almonds back on. And there you have it, a spooky, fun, easy to make Halloween baking idea. I really hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.